Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of electric potential and capacitance. The question here is calculate the potential at a point P due to charge 4 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb located 9 centimeter away. Second part, hence obtain the work done in bringing a charge 2 into 10 the power minus 9 coulomb from infinity to a point P. Does the answer depend on the path along which charge is brought? So first of all, we see what the question has given us. Given charge is equals to 4 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb, and the charge which is moved we denote it by Q0 because it is a test charge. So this is 2 into 10 the power minus 9 coulomb, and the distance from the charge is equals to 9 centimeter, which we take in SI units, that is 9 into 10 the power minus 2 meter. So the formula for first case, formula that we will be using for the first case, potential is always calculated by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q upon R, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. And for work done is charge into potential. So now we see solution for this question. In this question, this is a charge Q and this is a point P which is at a distance of R from a given charge, and from infinity we are bringing a charge Q0 to this point P. So for first solution, V is equals to 9 into 10 the power 9, charge is 4 into 10 the power minus 7 divided by 9 centimeter, that is 9 into 10 the power minus 2. On solving this, we get 4 into 10 the power 4 volt. And for second part, work done is equals to charge into potential, that is charge that we are bringing is 2 into 10 the power minus 9 into 4 into 10 the power 4, that comes out to be 8 into 10 the power minus 5 joule. So now we write our answer. What will be the answer? Answer is the potential at point P is equals to 4 into 10 the power 4 volt, and the amount of work done in bringing a charge Q0 at point P is equals to 8 into 10 the power minus 5 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.